Cause if you gon' get it, gotta be pronto. I gotta stay true. Only that's the way I wear. Hey, squad doing the most. Remember, say we now back down if you know it. Remember, say money we love it. You about the same. Money to move. Conversation, now link up if you know it. They take a lot. They take a lot. And now the team winning cause the niggas like a hot.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Krusty.
It ain't nothing to cut them off and live. You heard about how the 2-liter control. Quick to check the bitch, boy handle the biz. What my mini man grow? Yeah, no better, I don't know.
It's just the focus, touching you and then crying and wasting and wasting. Since I've been working in the business, one day I'm going to know. Since I've been living, now one day you will make so I'm gonna lie. This I was like to sing out forward.
So they got tell them something they don't know. They nigga got it, all hustle and God willing. Cause if you gon' get it, gotta be pronto. I gotta stay true. Only that's the way I wear. Hey, squad doing the most. Remember, say we now back down if you know it. Remember, say money we love it. You about the same. Money to move. Conversation, now link up if you know it. They take a lot. I said it took a lot. And now the team winning cause the niggas click a hot. I like a shot. This is another one. Ain't connect, baby, to the nigga. What you want, let me know.
It's just the focus, touching you and then crying and wasting and wasting. Since I've been working in the business, I've been on them from words and all that. Since I've been living, yeah, one year you will make so I'm gonna not live. This was like a sing out forward, moving on.
Fuck I look like. Now I be out for the club. I don't even know you. Hey, you only hit me with the hill, and we can really get it. They try to change one mind, we been chillin'. With the OG. Let's just put up this toast for the real ones.
It's just the focus, touching you and then crying and wasting and wasting. Since I've been working in the business, I've been on them words and you're the one. Since I've been living, yeah, one day you will make so I'm gonna not. This I was like to sing out forward, moving along. It's just the focus, touching you and then crying and wasting and wasting.
Wherever I can find to give style on a hater flexing I do. Real nigga shit. Put on for my kings and queens, about the time for the greens.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Krusty.
Matter way, I like the Henny with the colors. So I had the landlord make the feeling with the key. Nowadays, whole city go crazy when I drop that fire. Oh, bitches blowing up a nigga phone, I don't need that. Hey, you know I mean that. A boy focused on the motherfucker, grind like a billionaire. I saw money about out there when you know I'm really chillin'. Still ballin', worldwide with it. Still chillin' to the ceiling. Honey, I'm really I can. Think I got me and the war hillin'. One shillin', one shillin'. I woke up like, holy shit, is that me? Look what I become, cause I stuck these up and said, motherfuck, what you thinking? And you don't gotta like the shit, but you watch it. You know they watching. And don't it make sense that your girl already been on top of me? Now hold up, walk with me. Another bottle, better pop it. Hey, the third stripes in the club, they know when niggas solid. So what you mad from? Can a young nigga live? Do they don't stop? Real kings vibing when the eight and out. Fuck the main attraction. I hit the club and I party like a grind, like a villain. I see money about out there when you know I'm really chillin'. Still ballin', worldwide with it. Still chillin' to the ceiling. Honey, I'm really I can. Make a comment and I'm more.
Hello Ghana, this is your first Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Krusty.
Hello
Ghana, this is your first Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Krusty.
Adwuma. Wherever the party live, you must say we clean and they call it out to place. They get enough of it. They know we live in here with the fire blazing. Oh, it's gonna cost you, baby. Don't it look like the boys who look soft, baby? Them's his boys, baby. You know you want to know the feeling. I used to shit, I still did crash it. Side of the studio like I'm on mines, you know. And when we touch down, gotta give them something to hate on. You can't keep up, cause you ain't the type. You can't be dreaming and you ain't the fight. So try like a million. I'm still the Havana, I care when you know, but we can be chillin'. Still ballin', worldwide, still to the silly. Honey, I'm a I can make a drop in the new morning.
Right, so it's all about the A Connects here on 93.3 FM. Folks, good morning. How you all doing? Exactly 32 minutes after 10. And you tune into the best mid-morning here in the Enclaves. And of course, it is a Friday. So this is what we do on Fridays. We make sure we give you good music, good groove here on the very best frequency, 93.3 FM. And of course, I am your mid-morning driver, as usual. So we do the executive from Monday to Thursdays. And on Friday, we give you the boys level now. What's good? What's good? What's good, my people? Right. So you had moving on from AIC. You had grind AIC. And this is Motromojo. I love this song. Of course, you know. Alright, so it's a Friday, 17th day of October 2022. And as usual, this is what we're doing. Folks, my government name still remains Jenime Champon Boat in the Cosmos. Call me Jibruz Money. Call me Kobina Kosti. Call me a Brantipa, the perfect gentleman. Big shouts to my producers. Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, Kobe K, Nanato Pahin the first. So we are up on your radio from 9 to 12 p.m. In the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gatete, if you speak F1, if you speak Bre Kume Poiteme, if you speak Awazaya de Fra Lawane, if you speak Rushi Kwita, if you speak Inzaman Cordier, if you speak Fanti or Haunted, if you speak Swahili Habari Yako, Yabetanasi, Yabusia. Yamwa kwaba kasiapa at the Ahenkan 93.3 of Adwuma. In case you just tune in, you won't regret. Alright, so join the show live on Facebook, Ahenkan 93.3 FM on Facebook. You can also send me a WhatsApp message or a normal SMS on 0594 841044. 0594 841044. Let's get interactive here on the show. It's a Friday. Right, so I'll bring you our daily dose of motivations, our daily dose of vim, our DDOV this morning. I mean our motivational message. Our famous birthdays. And we continue the rest of the show with a lot of music just because it's a Friday. Folks, good morning once again. A quick shout to all my taxi drivers as usual. Right, so starting off from Brad David, Apasco, Rauf, MP3, Stagger, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Obatampa Jonathan, Obofo Michael, Tilapia, and to all the rest of the taxi drivers. I went to Miambo Mudimo Fan Chevy, Munginami Chechiamo Joe, Moho to say, Naya Babu Abuheya, Mr. Oben Fashion, good morning. O want to say yen twom kwasa nimbra Berman Quine Salum de Gambia asanifo nyina ni mba kope onyina mo wasene afo yendru SDA Junction and come Bra Michael we are carpenter wa SDA Junction afo God's time is the best fashion. Mama Shaho Mama Nasa there bibi abako. Oh no girls ni na Priscilla Grace, Messi, and Pat. And up here, now straight to a mantra Patty's Golden Scissors. Asada Beauty Saloon. Straight again to Quantenum. Genesi Fashion. Yambra back to SGA. Rejoice of Yabi Jaden. Good morning. After ye go straight, Yanko Krum. Yanamuna Yashodo. And come on. A comedy junction for Charity Fashion. A comedy junction. Yaji, a comedy junction. Upstate Lenders Restaurant. Good morning. Yayi, what to say? Yeah, call. Baby, I could see a ambassador. I could tomo reasebola. Would do one of my free days clothing. Good morning. Old education, quality fashion. Quality fashion, this is old education. Good to know you are all in tune. Now, all the way to Kote Stop. Yeah, Kote Stop. Kote Stop. Priscilla, mommy, good morning. Morning, I want to say. Right, so Zali 36 minutes after 10. 93.3 F5. It's a Friday, and you know every Fridays I'm in my elements. Hi, yay. And also a good morning to Adwuma Brights. Ahenkan F5 electrician. Bro, good morning. Hey, me here, oh. I need you. Bro, Charlie, my mentor come me here, pa. Yeah, me here. Alright, so let's do this. Beautiful music from Trickmatic and AI AEC, and it's my favorite. You know, right? Hey. And let me shout to my man, Abuaji Stainless. Abuaji says he loves AI, and AI has a song with Opera 4. So I should check that one also out. Yeah, I know the song, right? Come on, this is Governor Costi. You know, I'm the music blog. So let's do more trouble, Joe. 93.3 FM, you all ready? Good morning. Shabo, you ready? Let's go. All right, so good morning.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Transformer, or they want something I'm like an informant. That's what here one will format. What drama yo, don't know kuma, you wanna say kunko and I want shit at the champion what yo. Hypocritical industry players hoping to ridicule you. Ra, yeah, you dancing the kuma yesu. Yeah, we kuma one soon. One day you are, next day you're not. Assuming 50 years, I'm never getting caught. I'm bold on the tracks, the king of the airwave.
Oh, yes. Alright, when you swear, sir. Look for me, I'm seeing you, I'm
Okota semya. Ebebemo, Matia Nasano no. Me fashion me muti anyway. No, Shabo, bring this song back. Bring this song back. As you know, every Fridays, I'm in my elements. But anytime I play this song, I'm over in my elements. What a song, too spiritual. More trouble joke. Any possible insanity. And I so far on shaman for. Or tell us seven now, China, a cop. I saw power self. My home brand for so Shabo, play the song for me. Play the song for me. I want to sing along. Play the song for me. 93.3. Tell me the reason why you told me this is not the best mid-morning. Come on. Hey. And if possible like a transformer. One day was sounding them like an E format. Now a cow format. And in the Kumaju and the Sekun Kojo. And the Chile Pawajo. Hypocritical. Ra. Hey. Judas in the Kum Yesu. On one Osu. Hey, Obaya share shit. Obaya you swaya sa. Control was some mina mabo. Motra mojo. Yes, who are you? Madu fukumfu. Ebe. Nipa media de. Brana basha. Ni penye. Hey. Baka. Ni penye. Seba. Se. Hey. Ni penye. Hey. Ni penye. Say, Salawa. Hey, I'm fear corner Yemedeno. Hey, the song now to chill with your love for young quiet. Everybody, are you ready now? Shoo! Voila! I'm a senior the match, all right. Biaka Kumemo Sawadie, a Cobrani for the sir. Otima Sama, pray for me. Hey, as such a show, Namenewa, ye be pen, or be baya, can so, or Kota Semia, a babamo, Matia Nasano, me fan Shemi Muti and Yanume. Hey. Right, so 93.3 FM. Join the show live on Facebook, Ahenkan 93.3. Send me a text on 0594 841044. Hey, see me rolling. Right, so there's a message here. My main message may be through on here. Call your daily dose of motivation. This one says, I'm governor. Listen live at Old Town Zongo. Best show ever. You do all. Shouts to my man Kwesi F4 Plywood. Driver inside Bugatti and Akameni. Okay. Alright, this one says, good morning. How are you? I brand to put the perfect gentleman. Always listen to Ahenkan 24/7. But you people will never greet me. Naki Adole. Naki, if you don't tell us, how would we know? But anyway, big shouts to you. Naki, is it Naki or Naki? Naki Adole. Naki Adole, big shouts to yourself. Maybe I will be a chia, also, it's Ahenkan 24/7 by Inchianada. right, so let's move on to daily dose of motivations. Local Strikes. Yeah, 93.3 FM. In fact, this song, I love this song. I love this song. Minyanka, shall we send a mirror element in Minyanka? Oh, my, come out for Bosway. Oh, my, Bosway now for you call your daily dose of motivation. I property. Send me mirror element. I just don't know why, but hey, I'm in the elements. Give me Bosway for me come out. So was come out for Bosway in my what I was say and then. Achima Boabo Hanama, Boabo people are summoning air coso. It's be part of Shannon Suye Pan for Mammy say a open floor meeting, but shower dream. It's all about the development of our community. Branaba shower dream, me part of any attempt the day, there be Obunani dear coin so. But shower drain, who quite a fast so at the abo I call the next level. A cost so away about palace and you feel him and a cost. So bring the song back. Right, so this is a command for boss way. Hey, Marvel. Hey, Marvel. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your rabbit when I yes, my dear son. I said, forget your problem, so my brother. I said, forget your problem, oh my sister. Hey, happy yourself, cause if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. Men dia remo, Brian dia so viva, ay, viva, Brian dia so viva. Put on your dancing shoes, Brian dia so. Yes, my dear son. I said, forget your problem, so my brother. I said, forget your problem, oh my sister. Hey, happy yourself, cause your problem be 99. Yo. Thinking go make 100. Brian, you're so viva. I like yes, my dear son. Life, yes, summer. Hey, yes, summer, yes, right, so music of a command watch him down here. I quote Ron Yansano. What's this problem near 99? I would dream who they be by 100. Ever square. Two crab bomb. And to twagin bigu. Na fabra yam bossway. And no more about 3 minutes matra seka Caribbean mouth. Sing hallelujah. But you don't get what you want. Hey, Umbra, my Indiasa. You need yes, Umbra, my Indiasa. And it's Sakoto, baby. Sakoto, just go crazy. I like your summer, dear son. Oh, hey, I like your summer, dear son. Massa, your problem are sometimes you want you're too be good. Like it's your typical high life music, Ghanaian music. And this is a critical Ghanaian music, high life, a common voice, because this one was swear. Hey, high life, yes, summer, dear son. Hey, high life, yes, summer, dear son. Charlie, I knew when try video. Me was Skype that be coming, man, try video. And I shall boy you saying. You see, I have this feeling, say, Mama, I solicit for fun. Now you're trying new video. I mean, what, Charlie, what do you think? This is a sensible song, oh. Ebiana me to the changing of phone 10 ye. Unim, Shabo mean to be me yedi repeating your mono nanko phone television no. Me pasi ajiji sika e come of gram asen me country no. But I'll start this campaign. Eba jiji sika. Na ye twa video e da manu way. We need to push this song to the highest level. What do you think? Repeat the song.
Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your niasa. Rabbit jump to sunny one idea. Yes, my dear. I said, forget your problem, so my brother. Brian, yes, I said, forget your problem, so my sister. Hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem in 99, thinking go make 100. It means to be a moment, dear watcher. Brian, yes, so be bye. Oh, be bye. Brian, yes, so be bye. Forget your problem, so my sister, hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. Giant, yeah, so be bad. Swear, I like Abba Sama, dear son. Yeah, swear, Abba Suo, Abba Suo, be bad. Swear, I like Abba Sama, dear son. Swear, Abba Suo, Abba Suo, be bad.
Right, so 93.3 come out when you need Ebusia for Frachema down Chrome here. Of Chrome here. Adia me enemy producers and we want to help a Komavu shoot a video for this song. We really want to shoot a video for this song. So this is from me and my producers. I mean the whole Adwuma team. Anyway, in fact, I will this stress. Uti enyu abe hu say, Charlie, u problem need to say fatu be na jiwoni. Or see if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. Into men this I say Charlie, kina kem. Into men tienus. All right, you know, for the first time, let me put my number out. Should I? Okay, 0245 204 if you want to help, I want us to do something for Komavo. Now, at least I want us to push a call to the top. Now, you see, after Kwame Eugene, we have a high life artist, in order. Hit me up, Fremi, chat to me. Okay, this is my WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number, mama. Hit me up if you want to help. Me patrol any don't call me and joke. No. I'm serious here. My WhatsApp number, just hit me up. Let's support this guy. Let's support Komavo. Let's help him reach baby your person Drew. So we'll be proud of ourselves. Say if we are come down and we have a high life artist from this side. Open so 0245 204 895. That's my WhatsApp number. 4895 0245 204895. Let's see. Now let's go straight to our 4895 0245 204895. So yeah, go straight to our daily dose of motivations. Now no pay and crash ourselves. Isaac Gregory, or a reggae and dancehall artist from Jamaica. But in the meantime, Color Studios and Digital Embroidery, so you say, Nadaroma, and your crash as some of the brown of Pebia. For all your wedding for institutions, some would see me. Open some year in Tadia Lacoste, and the mamu staffs. Mamunko Tusi can go baby. Unko Nenya quality, and the bones with that form. Papa, over CS, ya petampe. I just say, it's an answer. Yeah, watch see. Phone was 0245 276638 02438. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Now, young cran shall someone pay Makacho say free Isaac's Gregory. Or say stop comparing yourself to others and find happiness where you are. Stop comparing yourself to others and find happiness where you are. And it is very necessary, man. You don't call for money on who to tongue call for. On one casa, where they call Marvin, you must train you. Oh, and call for the on who to tongue call for ma Sabio, a boom one beam, and as a boom one beam. Or share senior. The classmates going to see so baby our boy brand drew as a show on the SB who say as a mema cake crack about the real quania dream now cinema but I no pay Isaac Gregory say and for whom to tunk for baby I will be ano my ninja kakrane crown the little you have me pacho my ninja fun happiness my ninja what the chronic town. Say a swallow, say and small. The fact is, Mawini angel because Obi Crow or Honoma. Nedia and Ben with the what I said, at a man for home compare Obi, I would did it 3 times a day. Man for home compare Obi, our Shantadia and a boarding or bra wound to me. Man for Obi Sabi Obi situation be a mao bemu and boo. Right, so this morning, no matter how small, okay, bank accounts no easy. Check your balance now. Be checking the actual about 12 figures. Ebi so there be 6 figures. Me pa chawo dey near 3 figures enya hwe. Kakra na crowd na ma woni nje ma woni so. Be content to what you have. E ma woni mbere obi dey. Na ento awrewo ma ho, ento pressure ma ho. What you say? Me say obi wo ho no did 3 times a day. Ebi a wo di one until say na obi di 3 na me kwa me di one until na ma me kan no crave njo. Obi so wo ho no ma sabi yo onde hwe kra na de achi. And to sani pa no woni that's what say one day on so be di miensa ni bi. And then e kire say wa wo di ba ko no. Da bi ba wo unfree ba ko nkomienu nkomiensa. Kakra na ekura na ma woni nso. Kakra na ekura na ma woni nje ho. Kakra na ekura na appreciate it. And top pressure ma ho unnecessary competition. Unnecessary competition. And I can't go for be. And I wear ya the chin way. And I wear you say sin way. Me patch on ya we nimi ya no na ma woni nje ho. Na woni mi ya na. Je na ma woni enje ho. And I wear atade a wo hye and na ne bo adi o. Me patch wo de na ye 2 seasons ukoto kanta. Shawade. Utimi san obi a say hey me patch perfume na use you. Ehwan pa o. What on say? Oh, maybe perfume there. Oh, 800 cedis. Oh, me patch your perfume is 50 cedis. 50 cedis. Into why use 800 and fire home. Yeah, be use 50 na. You be use 50 cedis perfume this oh 800 you know 1000 perfume na my pressure. You need je there home. So for us, you can't be any when I came out with who say, we are also smelling good today. You better use oh 800 no 1,000 into your pressure. Me patch up. Oh 50 cedi spray no. Using the sun. More been too pressure. Feel free. My one in home. And 1 hour. Etiano pay young crash as somewhere the money. Stop comparing yourself to others and find happiness where you are. Maybe I will share piano. Oh ninja. There's a saying say brighten the corner where you are, and to say one corner and beg find happiness for yourself over there. Don't give yourself headache. Don't stress yourself over on unnecessary competition. It's not necessary. You could break. Yaba. Now for your property. And there's still an element in the womb. I'm in my element. I don't know why. Me, I love Fridays. Yes, you know. I always used to say this. I love Fridays. But today's element, I just don't know why. Why? Charlie, then I'm the pay. Oh, but I had to watch you. Now watch the son of baby. And then I just saw. Me what is here?
Say you cast Dominion herbal powder amount immune system and then kwabo wo nipa duam ne yeden na ne senti what adi yare sun kunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adon dey fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yesi me say
Dominion herbal powder de ninia enya amanfo adanse nti na be kanfo ne aye wo me nipa duam no eburo madwen ene mente ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase biagumu wo twan seti anum wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo abaton mo manufo ene kwada woni fiedum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dodon dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso. Any Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. Now Yamwa suing in no, a boy a home buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row. At to 0246 20 8496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no edrono and Kratway FDA asayase
Kwekwe brabehwe ene party am call no abrochen so ne dey serve me o de hwe ne bottle ni kra me Uja. Wait, I'm not coming no water. Now tenenka. I'm not coming no water. Ghana hayani yenu. Na oda say so pamude pona. E wo Ghana commercial bank. Car park one mo and the hwe ne mu pe. E wa bonsa foforo nu. Enu nti so pandu do Saudi ye wo de wedding. Abedin tour. Party. Say wo nu mo fie. Anadwuma die bia. Me patch offer 0249 680 and 0500 231091. Inso na den and package inso FSA. And natural mineral water. Aye natural. FDA ajatum say aye.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dodon dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. Now Yamwa suing in no, a boy a home buying every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to 0246 20 8496. Imbus Haba Mesa, police in no edrono, and Kratway FDA asayase.
Bribi fufro e pure paymentum. A chemu down in Potame. Our time in mat and bar. Aya bias from Kokra e yini to a chemu down. None bibi. Nesha so e demufua. Our time in mat and bar. I will bias from Koya to the bamboo in. None bibi. Okon one. And sound drop your benebia. And uti de bia. Duada kosi kosiada. One more honum. Okwa benebia na you don't come. Quality wine. Body splash. Perfume. Deodorant. Liquid soap. Foreign sardine. Any foreign goods in na. Provision bianso. Obenye biato. Dear Dennis say bia bedi juma sumbi birthday and a program bino pe biatna abuda. And subenya baby kama. Na dear that's from Kokra our bamboo in. And it say bia audition be 18 birthday. And then ni jebi and a back. And a person surprise you bia. Dear yans of bamboo in. One bear package kama. And a hamper nice one. Near the cost surprising the panel. No moment channel to say your dan ya dear uncha delivery fee. Say your dan dear. Ubecho bibi kakra. Bamboo in. Eshe our time mini mat and bar. I say woman check wine e watch him down. Woman MTT the no and the dinshanu mu pay. Major police station na e won kwantanu. Miss Row, Frano no mundin sa so sisi. Near surprise of Dofuma 0244 732075 and 0244 868385. Our time mini mat and bar. Bamboo in. Adi, esmi you will love it. It's hard to
King of Grace Chapel present to you 5 days power pack prayer. Amudi nenum adi esiwa ya de ba bompaya emodin adi agye awodin akako red December ani January mu. Na dwumadie etifia sam ne say bring your alabaster boss ointment. Luke chapter 7 verse 37. Ya wa kasafo bebre ena eba dwumadie ase. Emmanuel Asante Asene presiding. And Emmanuel Achiampo Anomase presiding. Reverend Brat Ofoli Bremen Sikuma Evangelist Kofi Amwako Abuabo presiding. Elder Makiel Techi Oda presiding. Elder Posiao Asin Arabo Anna Prophetess Mel in Cancer. Reverend Mrs. Mercy Techi Anna me Wakunkroma Frikasi Misomi Yakasafo. Na Osofo Pomwa Jumadi Esin in Nanso. Aya Reverend Frank Kwasi in Cancer. Yawanyum to Fobebre and Ebe Jumadi Nasi. Neti Sanya Jumadi ni Bekuni. Monday up to Tuesday. Yabekano Pasori 4:30 to 6 a.m. in the morning. Saturday Wednesday Anopasori 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Now Tuesday Ekosi Thursday Numreno. Aya 6:30 p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. That kind of say if you dano all night. Yatoya Safro Bibia. Brabi na Ubeyen Shilapa. Na Nikosi Adason. Yabepa District Women's Movement. Ano Tiemuse Adwuma. Oba Shayan so.
Eura, me pacho brana me hwa de wo bagi.
Bra, aden, enen so biem.
Hey, tam heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba akun, ane wayi me ensen.
Bra, sanya tam heba me hya, esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya, me ka se me di wa dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enu nku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada nofo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo a 3-day malaria yi bi ansa. Se o petam heba mixture enu dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House. Ana ba akoso wo Atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ura pharmacy shop, chemical shop, any herbal shop dudu na mu a obenya bi ato.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo set time no TIME. Time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ.
FDA ahwe edwadie nkrato yi mu agi atomo se
Mido, asa na de fia e hwampa o.
Ha, eye ban 20 ena ma efia e hwehwe hwamsa no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA ban ni na call limit Limited. And one more decide your way in our bed just so. And you no quampo na wo me do so to one mono. And your money say baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pine and I'm saying what then your men yet to say wine. And your parazone one and me this year.
Middle, me fan feature up to be the knee nefro. Na a dear bad enough would I will rap to be easy.
Eya kasha no na me dia to apopo bi brain na se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wine no
Nansen our one in Empire our wobia wo fie habi
medita wo eye JA Biny snake reparent na me dia to o masesa no
anu mo won niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won se uhu ana ai enu anso na me de wo horo nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me dia dance a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Biny wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudin ni body sign
eye JA Biny and Co Limited
ja me drew ho sesia
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Tell you what happened. You send the mix. Right, you have a baby, yeah? You're excited. Hey, now come in and mix Rangelina said, yes, I'll get any muka waka. I do any pata pata and pay you the sentino. Say me to me. Angelina Cometo, ella super sasa, Macarena que mapuca, she go be, Angelina Cometo, ella super sasa, Macarena que mapuca, she go be, ella super sasa, ella como que boy, Macarena que mapuca, she go be, ella super sasa, ella como que boy. Macarena who can dance, she go be. Angelina Kuto, Sasa Sugar in the Sasa, Macarena de Mapuka, she go be. Angelina Kuto, Sasa Sugar in the Sasa, Macarena de Mapuka, she go be. Sasa Sugar in the Sasa, Sasa Congo ni Bae, Macarena de Mapuka, she go be. Macarena son the dancer, she go be. Angelina to me, some channel, so yes, I'll Bobby Brown, round, merry go round, don't be shy, baby. Do some 2-3 steps to your back, front, back. But a minute, girl, don't forget to put your hand that way, up when it's down. Now shake your belly, left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Hey, now wait a minute, girl, don't forget to put your hand that way, up when it's down. Now shake your belly, left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Hey, now wait a minute, girl, don't forget to put your hand that way, up when it's down. Now shake your belly, left, right, front, back, turn around and smile. Angelina Kuto, Angelina Dokakwe. But to me, what's the name of my Mr. And I'm gonna da Angelina Kuto, Angelina Dokakwe. But to me, what's the name of my Mr. And I'm gonna da Angelina Kuto, Sasa Sugar in the Sasa, Macarena de Mapuka, she go be. Angelina Kuto, Sasa Sugar in the Sasa, Macarena de Mapuka, she go be.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
money, oh. Pini me nchai mami so umu. Bisenya mi kura ne me santo so. Mitria, eme. Eye mi se bibi kure mudi, oh. Wone makoma so ma dear. Enti eye nchitwi umu. Ode, obedo mi ado mi preko. Ode. Obedo mi ado mi preko. Obe. And what me forward on to do. Ode.
Alright, so 21 minutes after 11. Ahenkan FM no was good out here. We see Adwuma and I was good out here. But sa agenda now boy express almost sentiment here. Why they comparing has 4 bars to Kotoko 4 bars? Bars no back we has paint. And I also the proper branding. And to check it. I beg you guys should stop the comparison. It's not necessary because you can't compare a paint to a proper branded car. How's the form? What to say? We be about call there. Then I'm yasi. Ye chichi abungina. And I was it. And yes, that brings. We are still in the month of October. And remember, please, you need to save a life. Very necessary. You need to save a life. So as a gentleman as I am, I need to save about 15 ladies' lives. If I drop breast cancer awareness, you know, and you go away. You're born who they run here. Breast cancer awareness. Mr. Kukramato and do for when you are repa. The who are one Kukramato and do for my Yakucha. The Brennan Swire Shinadia, there is a breast cancer near the idea. Mr. If you two have no one say, was a you two say when I comfort me here. Last me count of years to say, Patrick, so we are 18 years. My own mammy and I'm one cast out in fact hospital. I go check it. But from 20 years walk on there, the Patrick Mobim wow. Akwala o SS de obo hu so ma pani bi ade be ye chew ade be jeje no wo be hu fuck hospital na o ma me na ade Okay, so 93.3 of Thursday happens to be one of my boss's birthday. A happy birthday to George Quay. Today happens to be George Quay's birthday. Happy birthday. But what is it with Bulldog and Shatawale of late? I don't know, but of late, that's a Shataye. You see, Shatankasa, you can't hate Shatawale. You can't. He's such an interesting character. You see, before time and I move, you know, we saw Shatta to be a radical person, like hijabi, you know, the respect and all. But in fact, this year now you better industry now proper. This is how, you know, Shatta wants to train. This is how Shatta wants to live his life. Yesterday, I watched him on Metro TV and look at some of the odd transits he made. He mentioned names, and I was surprised he mentioned that Andy Dusty's name. Because this is one person, I know Shatanako Transaka said, no, if not for Andy, you see? Now this same Shatta is saying, can links be for Andy Dusty, so I'm like, hey, Shatta. And I'm stressed, I'm feel good. What an interesting character. But anyway, Bulldog says, Black Sheriff, name album, was it released yesterday or Indrechi? I think it was yesterday. The Villain I Never Was. Such an interesting caption. Album Bakupedino. The Villain I Never Was. And I'm being honest, many a time in TA. But I heard there is a song called Paradise. I heard a track number 6 or something, and that song was dedicated to an ex-girlfriend who died at the age of 17 years. And everyone seems to be talking about that particular song, especially when you go on Twitter, with a huge conversation on Twitter. I think, and after work, I should listen to all the album. Yeah. My point, especially that track 6, the Paradise song. I think I need to listen to the song very well. Someone said the song was in key because he wanted, you know, to speak his heart out. In fact, I don't know if the Soldier is also on the album. There, the Soldier, I've listened to the Soldier. It's on it, eh? Okay. But Soldier need the métier. It's in the academy, so I'll find time and listen to it right after the show. I really want to listen to the Paradise song because I heard it was dedicated to his ex-girlfriend who died at the age of 17 years. Now, Bulldog says, album no will do better than Sarkodie and Shatta Wale's yet to be released album. And I'm like, what? Is it sometimes we want Shatta Yoke can't. And I wasn't surprised when I saw in his page this morning. Shatta they throw fire just because Blue Dog says album no baby release, you know. And I saw what they no baby release, you know. Sheriff they no will do better than them. And see, meaning why Blue Dog said that. But I think that statement is not necessary. Because one, Shatta o releasing it there no. Sako the ain't releasing it there no. So why will you say obi a releasing it there and there? After obi so be releasing it there and dra and I say that for eba. And the releasing it there and there no would do better. Like I don't know why he said that. I don't in fact I asked my confused. Like to say many obi ebe projects what they can't need their number. My family didn't buy unim senior. You don't even know how my own will sound. You don't even know how my own will look. Or say you will do better than mine. Charlie. Me who am say kai. And Kofu be ma Shatta Dwalai. At this one, guess what? I went on his page and he did throw fire. I was like, hey. Shatta the Obetsima predicting this is here. Shatta is like the missus. Yeah. You can predict Shatta and win. Say make come trouble say, hey, this thing from Bulldog will make Shatta go crazy. So this morning, early in the morning, I went to his page to check out one or two things, and boom, it was there. Insults. Shatta Wati. Such an interesting character. I say, Indra, what's the interview now? Well, you laugh throughout the interview. I said, why is serious? I said, dear grass, no, Shatta. And this morning, TikTok has also added his voice to what Shatta Wale has been saying. I don't know why these people always wants to be on Honorable Marco Krekuman face. I mean, they want to be on his issue. Like every time, Krekuman. And I know TikTok also says, Krekuman is one bad person in the industry or blocking chances. And for him being at the Creative Art Ministry office is also a different thing altogether because a lot of chances will be blocked there. Well, these are the seniors in the industry, so let's see. So on this note, still make I say some few years to come, Governor Costi will be the minister for Creative Art and Tourism Ministry. Maka. Me new party Roberts. I know. So one day, me I went to Parliament. And me I don't want MP for that. I don't want MP for France. No. Call minister level. You go straight. Creative Art and Tourism Minister. That is me. Me this. It is see I money me nya fan yo. Money me nya fan na me drew through no ma me so me no nya fan yo. Money me nya fan yo. Yo. Industry players are more chroma. Must start in the mania fan yo. Because me drew through no I will promote culture. I will promote tourism in Mantema. I will promote arts. Me also guys be bro no eh na me start your campaign by this time. Andrew me pa job. Me nya political party the gra. Me nya he. Ebi that bia odi Ahenkan uni MP na. Na ahwe say be your party a. Na fa ma bora ho na na copy ho. All right, so ODI Electronics, we patch up a TV at all free, deep freezer, gas cooker, blender, kettles, washing machines. Brefia never to be at a very affordable price. No border form. No border anything. 2 bars of show to bar for 0554 171393. And I'm happy birthday, Kasiapa and Thomas Akwasi Amoa, happy birthday. Oh, forestry commission, right? Okay, into Thomas Akosi Amwa way a free a Japaya and chain. I see I'm sure to pay happy birthday war forestry. Thomas Akosi Amwa, happy birthday. Big Thomas, Big Tom, happy birthday. Way a free a Japaya Faro. I see I'm sure to pay happy birthday and come on Thomas Akosi Amwa. Amaje Bar Clinic. Me patro ya rebia titu bia amaje se brawo tramodern scan machine a obetimi a scan e wona afi ohun bebe ya re de na wabo ne ade a ompo so dodo physiotherapy wo ho wo sebra na bibia nkoye ma your quantum detector afọ so unua bi odofo bi infertility tete na typhoid ulcer syphilis menstrual problem kidney problem gonorrhea diabetes etete o ma amaje se bra na no pa ya wontu yare na se enfama amaje ya bana sambrane wa ya resefie et just imagine ya rie bi abedu ho no mu bia no obo ho modern na doctor for mutrim abin necessary for Dr. Aisha Moni adia na omotu yare na se dia ma na ya bo a na ya ji sika fia bi na wo de ani je akofie 0244877840 and 0205045665 amaje ba clinic na wayarisa efie unnatural mineral water meba chosa wutie mi a event na wo be no menko to nsuo boka bi amfa nkoservice ye enya sa waso be ye wo be talk of town ya be kan wasama say na events bi ye ko ye na unya baku events na nsuo tantan bi wa man no ye ena na nsin kra me hospital ko check ye se menya typhoid nsuo bi na se no mi ya meba cho mo bi mfa typhoid no emfa be frafra enka say new program bi oba intina wabefa typhoid man nsuo emu ye krogen nsuo anwane duro ahodo ahyemu ma nduro a yede egu nsuo ni no ema nsuo ne enite and afọ nsuo ni taste ne kama pa challenge so self food and drugs authority ensa eshas ye your friend nsuo no unnatural mineral water so upe bi ato a okoye Ghana Commercial Bank achim odan branch opposite Ghana Commercial Bank abun sign for frona na abehu yan free 0249680213 and 0500231091 unnatural mineral water no waje so bibia ya natural. Now taxi drivers me mamo fella truck drivers me mamo fella mongina mo honta say muntie fella we me pa chow se wo pese wo car ni engine nya nwodin se na car no e running up and down ni na engine e yemre ba se wo pese wo bo engine ho ban dia e seahorse engine oil what's the san engine oil bia you see seahorse engine oil into for private cars, taxis, commercial cars, heavy duty trucks. Now we use seahorse 15W40 and I said 20W50 uchi moto pragia abuboya odia a seahorse Persia 40 0244 577-559 and 0240-800-007 seahorse engine oil or just say quality engine oil for your cars and motor engine. Now we shaka about center or dream mama home Dr. Ishmael or see what dream mama home did on or the meme drew tatashaba jamanso a natural aphrodisiac and also it's purely herbal with no side effects. The sentence on said the new best man capsules no every ishaka herbal center a cure early discharge, low sperm counts, erectile dysfunctions, severe waist pain, burning sensation, syphilis niade. Sisi a mema nyina nyamacha. The new best man capsules. Ube bomb match we so bomb match upon you 3 points there. Joe Benjeja ho. The new best man capsules. Abebo am wait me bomb match no zampa. Makacho say unya match ba. Mema nyina nem e wo krom ha na ugina. Enti ukototo papa so kobotro kana koji. Mugwase dia Joe. You can't mema yan kan won kan ho. Ya do betre chire ho ba bi ni asaka tawo to compare the new best man capsules of pharmacy be ben o kwankran aken so okay ba Jones ba na boache na Tinatech kokeda Martin Kumi Mr. and Song Harry Pearl chemical afa esuom so a blessed chemical. Now achima dan kroma or Chiniba drugstore or be a more afro afa so Candy drugstore Coffee School na Nachumesi always drugstore And I will be me a friend was 0244 966 043 and 0208 288 099. The new best man capsules. G Omerma Aye Edi. Once again, happy birthday and Thomas Akwasi Amoa. Thomas Akwasi Amoa who forestry. And I'll pay happy birthday way every Faro a Japaye. And I'll see young command exactly 38 after 11. Let's do this one from Obrafo and Stone Boy. Good morning once again.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
John Mr. J, baby. Yeah. Lighters in the air. So when the girl are there, dedicated to all of the ghetto girl and a rough one and Stone Boy. This one is for my true lovers in the ghettos. And I say order of a uno mum dia bo utinko. For me, she can do without me. I'm her source of energy. She says I'm the only one, bright in the morning like the sun. No matter the situation, she won't trade me for any man. Sometimes I love them make me wonder. Oh my God, the things she do them make me ponder. Into the background, I shower nothing. I seem to ask again and again. And yet the answer swadding. My game, ya boni tutuo ya chana bufuo ya twini sutuo sadi obesuro na kuma prim o dini trim o hi modonti osidi otimano timbi. We like Siamese twins, dangerously inseparable. Now calling Gary and Beans deliciously palatable. My heavenly made bride. We roll like that bride. We roll like Bonnie and Clyde. It's not you get so low. Get so loving. Get so loving. Get so love. It's not you get so low. I wonder where she got this kind of loving from. I wonder why she perfect and never do no wrong. Oh my empress, you my sunshine. Get so girl and you my lifeline. When I got nothing, she was there for me. For me, paid for me, very softy. Never bored with me. Once they tell you won't get rocking. She had the type who never been to university. What a kind of love got a will for diversity. She stopped and packed with morality. She saw a versatility of love. You don't talk when you know me. There's no song for my face. Love is so she gon' give me some love. You don't need to be told, baby. Me de ma come in the baba mabo. Me de ma cry me ni pe de ni never come. Hala te ma sende ma ye waru. Na me penitent te mo cross on a time about. Na me de ma come in the baba mabo. Me de ma cry me ni pe de ni never come. Watch you me a do be a man do. Send me
me dem come in the bag and I go. Me dem crying, me dem putting in a bag. All to my Sunday and I am one. Now me penitent, I'm crying, and I time my papa from Muji. Now me dem come in the bag and I go. Me dem crying, me dem putting in a bag. Watch you, me a do be a yes from
Have a blessed day.
Make it let your body go. La 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 la. When the girls do now, shake something. La 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 la. Move to the dance floor, no long thing. All them girls they envy, they don't say your body they envy. It be your own. Girlfriend, it be your own. Check what your mama gave you. Girlfriend, you don't say nothing, do you? It be your own. Girlfriend, it be your own. La 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 la. When the girls are la, shake some la 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 la. When she walks, they grab the break. When she talks, the boys they shake. When she moves in, they turn the bass. The boys they take in loose, they concentrate. I don't wonder how in GSF they fit them. Movie directors, they beg I make they shoot some scenes, so say they go edit them. Telling me I be superstar, but this girl the when I get I go hit them. I go tell romantic our boy and go down and kiss them. Hey. See I like them pick my dumps. Anytime I see them I fall to jump. Body they shake just like the drum. African girls, here we come. Richie make you hit the drum. Oh yeah now, oh yeah now, oh yeah now. The way she dey move on, this Uchi Uchi bam bam. Afanula.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hold it, you got me controlling. Me and your back, I'm blowing. You got me controlling, so fire. Hold it, you got me controlling. Me and your back, I'm blowing. You got me controlling, so fire. I just dropped 4 down. Yeah, I did down. Me and this girl, we dey run down. Fine girl, she get me from Cape Town. Me, I tell am say I no get time, but she don't give me some small chance. No person me go win in my mind. Fine girl, me I did for you. My heart will it be for you. And every time I think about you, I just wanna be with you. Fine girl, me I did for you. My heart will it be for you. And every time I think about you, I just wanna be with you. So fire, my baby so fire. Been coming so fire, but on the me so more so fire. So fire, my baby so fire. Been coming so fire, but on the me so more so fire. Oh yeah, you got me controlling. Me and your back I'm blowing. You got me controlling so fire. Oh yeah, you got me controlling. Me and your back I'm blowing. You got me controlling so fire.
She gets swagger, she be sweet like banana. She take her from Ghana. She said diva. See, she gets swagger, she be sweet like banana. She take her from Ghana. She said diva.
feet. Mama, come and tell me, the way you walk, they make me weak. I call me honey, surely knock me off my feet. Mama, come and tell me, the way you walk, they make me weak. I call me honey,
Kiss your bride. Oh, kiss your bride.
Right, show. We're still live on your radio. Yay!
You may kiss your
bride. It's Friday, and this is what we do on Fridays, folks. We're just warming up for the weekends.
Now,
and tomorrow we will be back on your radio with Showbiz 933 with me, myself. The same team here: Kobe K, DJ Shabo, and Ras and Sansa Straku will join. Maybe a slot Caleb and our sweetheart Paulina. And I hope if all miss Abuaji, Abuaji will be back very soon. Myself, I miss Abuaji. I miss Abuaji. I won't lie, I miss Abuaji.
Now you may kiss your bride.
Alright, so a big shout out to Awusua. Awusua, no pay good morning on the grandma. Hey, sweetheart, back over. Awusua. I catch out double service. On Pebe Binkoda.
Oh, kiss your bride. First, you need to buy. Me want to know what brush I am. What only pedia money papi pimu. Me for can, what you need the double do. Second, second, kiss your bride. Bano kono managing the one who yam for so much safe. This one, chaka chaka chaka, they was my pounds. Is our
go to your mother house.
People on the chin now. One I say, you may kiss your bride.
Nana Kwame, the blogger's choice. Nana Kwame, the blogger's choice. Charlie Michelle. Right, so 8 more minutes. Then we leave the studios. Sachikino, Makoya Bomusu, Makoya Bomusu, Medical Faye, Chima, come, mammy, Makoya Bomusu, Makoya Bomusu, Medical Faye. Now, Dr. You and Joyce Jujo, I say when I'm in person can be. Eba, I'm in person can be. So I saw this thing trending, and Joyce Jujo. On the Dr. UN, and now we are married couple, and I say, I think I even told the fiampo for us and conform they are jokers, the two of them, they are jokers. I think it was a fiampo, and not Dr. UN and full joker, Dr. UN, full joker, plus Jujo, another joker, two jokers. Oh, Maza, Maka, let me see. Mayon, maybe I can't say the reason why some political leaders do not take the industry. I mean our industry. Me, I'm an entertainer, so anytime I'm a kind industry, you should know. So I'm talking about the entertainment industry. The reason why in Peniphobia and Shadow Fire is serious, because of these unserious personalities in our midst. You see, sometimes they want to call Joyce Jujo celebrate. Now you narrowed it down to entertainment celebrity. What is she doing? Joyce Jujo, no, or see, or your actress. Movie send Joyce Jujo with her Chroma. Dr. You and so. If I may patrol these people, they are not entertainers, I beg you. And the bloggers, say more try, they are famous. Yeah, they are famous, they are not celebs. I am not ashamed of saying I am now 1% for your industry this year just because of Sawe Mundia. And Kofobi won't Kofobi intino. And Kofobi intino, I am not much around for your industry this year. Just imagine. See me, the day I saw this stories on the internet, Dr. UN was Joyce Jujo Mensa. I was like, this thing, if it's not a movie, it will turn out to be a joke. And I'm not surprised. This morning I saw another blog saying, he said, Dr. UN and Joyce Jujo, they are divorcing after 2 weeks of marriage. And I was like, did they marry? Like, were they serious? These two are a bunch of jokers. The two of them. Joyce Jujo and Sanangasa full joker. Dr. UN, jokers. I want to say, I'm not worried. You know what? Trend Benamope. Joyce Judo, what your trend? What ja. And we are free industry. No, now the young coupons across our call ye can't entertainers. I can't. You want so free, yeah. Also, so didn't overboom. Now, some koda. Since I'm moving in your most summer koda. So you want a way, like you guys want to come back to the industry, like you want us to talk about you again. Me catch them say, "Oh, myself, it's been 2 weeks now. Man can want them that, and never na person me can because matter say omo jaya they weren't married. Now, come on, just imagine Joyce Jujo and Dr. UN. Amaware, Awoma. Just imagine Dr. UN, Joyce Jujo Mensa, Aware Awoma. Just imagine." So first day I didn't buy no. I said to myself, I was in my room. I was just going through my social platforms and I was like, I didn't know crap. I don't know. Now the I don't know if you saw that video. Now Dr. Yuan or Chakis, her man what they feel. What a mouth! Oh, Chucky, City Biniadian on your crop at Tafredi see a chinya account. Hey! I didn't be uncle for the Rosal. And now Joyce Judo, when almost say, hey, Sabusu or Mewa. And then you know, man, the training, mean body, but what we need to be only mother crime can was him. At the end of my Joyce Judo man signed the trendy with Chrome. Later, it turns out to be, say, Okoye NDC government, 419B, like she needed an opportunity to travel and all. And I'm with this deal at the man. I want to mention Sadia, because she came out to say it was negative. And I think the lockdown, she went to test on TV, and then it was positive. And I did crash my candy because the negative and positive my candy as well as my candy. So she went to test on TV, and it turned out to be positive. And she left the country. We stopped talking about her, and all of a sudden she came back, and Dr. UN is happy, kissing her. And your pego, not your kiss to say, hey, Dr. UN, not tough friend is here. Dr. UN, who many of you? Here, call. Caleb Mommy is in the house. If you are poor,